In the quiet morning light of a suburban park, a single dad, a veteran, sat on a bench. His worn but neat military jacket a silent testament to his past. His face was a map of exhaustion and determination, his thoughts heavy as he watched his young daughter play, her laughter a stark contrast to his inner turmoil. A folded bill in his pocket was a constant reminder of unpaid rent, and though the park was peaceful, his heart was restless. Flashbacks of service flickered in his distant gaze, his hand trembling from old injuries. He was fighting a new kind of battle, one of silent desperation. A stranger approached, his eyes catching the veteran's service badge. A nod of respect was exchanged. The stranger asked about his time in the military, and the veteran answered with quiet humility, his words free of boast. Just then, his daughter ran to him, hugging his leg tightly. The moment was pure, innocent love, and it softened the stranger's expression. The warm smell of food drifted from a nearby truck, and the veteran checked his empty wallet with a quiet sigh. Noticing this, the stranger offered to buy them a meal. Pride made the veteran hesitate, but one look at his daughter's hopeful eyes, and he gratefully accepted. They sat together under the shade of a large oak tree, the daughter eating happily while the men talked. The veteran spoke of lost friends and the silent battles that continue long after the war is over. His voice was calm, but the emotional weight was palpable. With permission, the stranger recorded a short video, capturing the raw honesty in the veteran's story. It was a moment of profound vulnerability, of a father's love, a soldier's struggle, and an unshakable dignity. The veteran spoke of raising his child alone, of teaching her that kindness is more valuable than any amount of money. The video ended with a soft, weary smile from the veteran, a glimmer of hope in his tired eyes. Later that day, the stranger uploaded the clip. The title was simple. It spoke of courage and humility. Overnight, something incredible happened. The video went viral. Views skyrocketed. Comments flooded in, messages of respect, gratitude, and shared experience. Fellow veterans recognized his silent strength. Parents related to his struggle. The next morning, the veteran woke up, completely unaware. As he prepared a simple breakfast with his daughter, his phone buzzed relentlessly. He ignored it at first, but the notifications wouldn't stop. Finally, he checked the screen and saw thousands of messages. He read the comments with disbelief, tears welling in his eyes as he felt the warmth of 1,000 strangers. Supportive words poured in from around the world. Then came the donations, offers for jobs, and calls from news channels. Overwhelmed but deeply grateful, he hugged his daughter, who smiled, sensing the shift in the air. Their lives were about to change, all because of a moment of shared humanity. He returned to the same park, but this time he wasn't invisible. People recognized him. They thanked him, saluted him, and shared their own stories. He remained humble, sitting under the same oak tree, but now the grass seemed greener, the air filled with hope. He realized that his vulnerability hadn't been a weakness. It had been an inspiration. His honesty had connected with millions. He started to use his newfound platform for good, helping another struggling parent he met in that very park. The kindness he had received was now coming full circle. He began sharing advice with other young fathers, his voice carrying a quiet authority born from experience. He spoke of resilience, not fame, of purpose, not profit. The donations were used responsibly, channeled into supporting fellow veterans and their families. His daughter watched and learned, seeing generosity in action. During the golden hour, they would walk home hand in hand, their long shadows stretching across the green ground. The pain of his past was still there, but it no longer defined him. The viral moment had sparked a movement of empathy and support. He answered messages personally, replacing despair with gratitude, one connection at a time. The park became a symbol of renewal, a place where pain had turned into purpose and struggle had become strength. Together, he and his daughter planted a small tree in that park, a living symbol of their new beginning. As he felt the cool, rich soil, he quietly gave thanks. He never sought attention, only understanding. But in sharing his truth, he changed perceptions about the unseen battles so many face. His story is a powerful reminder that real strength is often quiet, and real courage is found in kindness. His journey continues, a testament to the fact that even in our hardest moments, a single act of connection can change everything. If this story touched your heart, please like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to Kindness Quest to support more real stories of humanity, courage, and hope. Thank you for watching.